Hi, traders around the world. Welcome back to another video. As I promised, I said I was going to do a short or kind of a 2-3 pairs analysis over the weekend. I got so busy I couldn't do the analysis, so I'm just trying to get it done today. Right, so I got a comment on one of my videos that I talk slow and my videos are a pain to watch. I agree and I disagree in a way. I agree because yes, some people would like me to speak fast, and I disagree because when you're trying to teach someone, okay, you don't need to go quick, you don't need to go faster, so that whoever has difficulties in understanding certain things can kind of understand what you're trying to say. So I agree and I disagree. So I'm not gonna make any more comment on that. I'll try my best to be in between. I'll not speak too quick for someone not to get what I'm trying to say, and I'll not speak too slow to bore other people. Okay. So with that said, let's crack on. Right. So I'm looking at the Aussie New Zealand. This morning we're getting a push higher. So what I'm looking for is I think this pair is heavy to the upside. It's very heavy to the upside. So I'm looking for price to kind of come in here somewhere. Sorry, let me use this tool. Right. So in here, okay. I don't want it to break this high, okay. I don't want it to go above that high. So between where we are at now and in here, especially within this box, okay, I want to see weakness. I want to see some form of weakness. Alright, and then a breakdown. Okay, when I do see the breakdown, then I'll alert everyone in the signal group, and then they can take advantage of that. But I'm looking for price to stay within this range and then break down to the downside. It could stay here for some time, or it could just pop in and then come down. Okay, but the main idea is price shouldn't go above this high or even this high. So this week I'll be monitoring it to see if we do get the weakness and then a breakdown. If not this week, then next week we'll get the breakdown to the downside, and the downside I'll be looking for price to come somewhere down here as initial target. Okay, when we get the breakdown, initial target will be here, and then I'll be targeting down here. That's for long term, but for short term, let's get the breakdown, and I'm looking for price to come here. Right, so that's it for that one. I was looking at silver, and it caught my attention yesterday. Right, silver caught my attention yesterday. It looks like it wants to push higher. Okay, so this is the level I'm looking for silver to get to. Okay, so look for longs to get up there. Let me draw the line properly. Oops, wrong tool. Right there. Okay, so I'm looking for longs to go there, and price shouldn't come down here, right, to be specific, below this candle. Okay, I don't want price to come down there. It should just continue to go higher. So I'm watching that on on my signal. To be precise, I'm watching. Let's get rid of some of this brush. Okay, to be precise, I'm watching this level. I'm watching that level, keeps hitting it and rejecting. So I want to see price close above it. As soon as we see price close above it, retest, and then a stop below here, and then a rally to there. Okay, but let's see if I can get a close above there. Then I'll actually send a signal to the signal group. Okay, so we get a close above here, and then you look for a long to that level. So that's it for silver. What else was I going to talk about? Aussie CAD, that's another one. Like I said, Aussie looks heavy. In my previous video, this consolidation here is what was signaling that we are heavy on the upside. So this rally, I'm not a fan of it. Okay, I'm not a fan of this rally, and we could see price just reject and go down. And the reason why I'm saying is usually when you have such consolidation, traders are trying to trade the breakout. Traders are trying to trade the breakout. So in here, price is doing what? Stopping people out and then going the other way, stops you out, go the other way, stops you out, come down. It's just trying to get us some orders. Okay, so this rally, I'm not a fan of it because price is heavy. We've traveled from down here, paused, and then now we are rallying. I don't like that one. So what I'm looking for is a rejection. Okay, a rejection, and then we go short. So probably this week we'll get a rejection. Hopefully by Thursday, Wednesday, or probably tomorrow we might get rejection, and then price closing down here. Okay, so we get rejection, price close down there, we look for an entry and a short to the downside. Okay, so don't get excited about this rally, it's not gonna last. So what you're gonna do is just look for rejection, and then a retest, and then a short to the downside. Okay, so that's the business on Aussie New Zealand. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm just gonna look at one more pair, and that will be it. What other pair was I looking at? New Zealand, hang on, not that one. Oh, that one has reached target. This one, okay. So I have lots of lines on there. Let's change it. CHF. Alright. This pair looks very bullish because we've just come down below this low and rejected, so that's very bullish. Where am I looking for price to go on my weekly time frame? We see that nice rejection there. So this pair is I'll look for press get in here. Right, that candle and these two levels, that's where I'll be looking for price to come to. So let's see how it looks like on our Fibonacci retracement on this right there. Yeah, so it lines up perfectly with my 70.5 level, and the other one is just above, so it looks good. I like it. Alright, so those two levels is where I'm looking for this pair to rally to. Hopefully this week it can probably get higher than that, but this will be enough for this week. Alright, so I'm gonna keep it nice and short, easy. Alright, so I think that will be it. Until then, keep safe.